शुरू कर देते हैं रिकॉर्डिंग. This is my imitation of a comic. Have you guys noticed? Just that's it. But give me a cheer, guys, if you're conservative. ओम ही बोल दो, कुछ बोल दो. कुछ चाहिए guys मुझे recording में. Give me a cheer if you're from conservative households. बाकी सब तुम लिबरल खानदानों से आए हो? ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा आपके वेस्टर्न अटायर देखकर? हाँ? I'm asking because I feel like ये अभी बड़ा नया हमारे कंट्री में लाइक लिबरल वाला एजेंडा आया है. अदरवाइज हम सब काफी कंजर्वेटिव हाउसेस से हैं. Here's a way to find out. I know only 5 of you would, but let me win you others over, okay? Are you ready for the check? Okay. क्या आप एक 20 से 70 साल के युवक हैं जिन्हें अभी भी मम्मी पापा से डर लगता है? Question 2. जब फॉरेनर्स आके बोलते हैं, oh my God, Indian food smells so weird. क्या आपका secretly खून खोलता है? Last one. क्या आप एक अदरवाइज कूल एथी स्टेप पर चलते चलते गलती से गणेश भगवान की फोटो पे पैर लग जाए तो आप करते हैं डांस स्टेप? तो हम सब कंजर्वेटिव हाउसेस से हैं गाइस. एक्सेप्ट कर लो, अभी हुआ है हमारा लिबरल एजेंडा. मेरा घर इतना कंजर्वेटिव था, माय मॉम हैड कम अप विद सम रूल्स बाय हरसेल्फ. Like religion wasn't enough. She made some up. Like one of the rules in my house was that we couldn't take a bath. We मतलब मैं और मेरी छोटी बहन, we couldn't take a bath without a chaddi. We had to wear it at all times. Yeah. Give me a cheer, guys. If you took a bath with chaddi. Just unrelatable problems by Sejal Bhatt. ये मेरे घर में बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रूल था यार. मेरे लाइफ का मतलब यही, उसी टाइम मेरा बस ड्रीम वाज जस्ट दिस. मेरे फ्रेंड्स वर लाइक, ओ मैं बनूंगी डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, मैं बनूंगी कल्पना चावला. वो तो मर गई, कोई नहीं, मैं नेक्स्ट वाले बनूंगी. एंड आई वाज जस्ट देयर गोइंग, मैं चड्डी के बिना नहाऊंगी. That was my one big dream. और मेरी बहन ने और मैंने ना बहुत प्लान करके डिसाइड भी कर लिया था how to like go around this rule that we had. Because I really just wanted to feel the skin here, okay? I just really wanted to feel like तुम सब ने नंगे नहाया, shameless. सब लोग like ये कैसी प्रॉब्लम है? ये मेरी बहुत बड़ा ख्वाब था मेरा guys. तो we had figured out a system. So when my parents were busy or with guests or whatever, we'd be like, आज तो हम चट्टी के बिना नहा लेंगे. चलो party! Yeah! But then we were also shit scared of our parents, so we would pour some water on it just to cover all our tracks, just so they don't find out. At some point, we'd strategized it so far, guys, that not only did we like pour water on it, we also rolled it up a little bit. I'll explain. See, when you take a dry chaddi off, no, it just falls. Like, but when you take a wet chaddi off, you go. ये जो मैंने बचपन किया था, मैं बन गई कल्पना चावला, बस मेरा नोबेल प्राइज यहीं पर है. I was very proud of this. Some of you looked awkward in the back while doing this because you were picturing me at this age. Okay? I was this small. Please. पता था मुझे मेरी गटर ब्रेन ऑडियंस आएगी यहाँ पर गंद मचाने. ये मेरा बहुत बड़ा ये मेरा a lot of my time was spent doing this. And then at some point, I remember, I saw my dad's chaddi. Independent of my dad. Just to clarify. I saw my dad's chaddi just hanging by itself, willy-nilly on the hook. Dry AF. Dirty also. I don't know how. But bathroom में नई चड्डी नहीं लटकाते ना. I saw that and I was like, excuse me, somebody is not following the rules around the house. Mother must know about this. I will make such an articulate and eloquent argument that she won't be able to deny it. And I went to my mother and I was like, Mama! मैं को भी चड्डी के बनाना है. सब चड्डी के मैं क्यों नहीं नहा सकती चड्डी के बिना मम्मा? Articulate AF. And my mom, she really looked me dead in the eye when I asked her this. And she said, because beta, God is watching you. What the fuck, dude? Who the fuck says this to a child? Also, what kind of a God is this? Wow. अर्ली 2000s है, ठीक है, भूकंप आ रहे हैं और मलाइका अरोरा भी नाच रही है, पर ये इज जस्ट लाइक टेलीफोटो लेंस लगा के यार सेल चड्डी नहा रही है. Why was this? It just bugged me. But I didn't have the mental capacity to argue this, so मैं चलती रही life में. The other thing my mom was really into that I participated in wholeheartedly was Jagratas. Do you guys know Jagratas? Give me a cheer if you know Jagratas, guys. Most of you, okay. That corner, little, still pretending to be liberal khandans. I get it. So Jagratas are like... I got you guys. So Jagratas, am I pronouncing it right? Jagratas? Is it silent? I don't know. So Jagratas are like... They're like rave parties, but for religious people. And like they go all night long and we party and everyone's just like smashed and like the cops come and give them some money and they're off, so it's like great. Except like in a rave party you just go, in a Jagrata you just go. But like the same thing. ये मेरी माँ का बड़ा अच्छा मतलब ये बस उसकी लाइफ इसी में चली जाती थी मेरी माँ की. And I attended with like her Jagratas with her. And the thing is, because of this, I did not find out about Bollywood songs. And the thing is, the songs in Jagratas are Bollywood songs. But with the word, तुम सबको पता था यार. सब के सब बेशरम नंगे लोग, मगर ये सब पता था तुम्हें. No, so this was like I did not know about this. I didn't know about like Bollywood songs and shit. I found out because 5th standard में हम जयपुर में रहते थे and then we went for excursion to Pink Pearl and we were in the bus and we were playing Antakshari and they were like, Sejal तुम्हारी बारी, फ से गाना फ. And I was like, फिर भी दिल में माता रानी. And no one sang along, guys. I was alone. I found out years later, and like 2 years ago was the last Jagrata I went with my mom because I have no life. So I went to Jagrata with my mom, and by now I have some knowledge of some Bollywood. And I went there, and this is a Shirdi Baba concert. I mean Jagrata. But like the same thing. So Shirdi Baba, okay. First of all, I like Shirdi Baba a little bit. I have soft spot for that boy because like other gods are like really like like Shirdi Baba's like मेरे को couch ले आओ, मैं बैठ के chill करके bandana Rastafarian vibe लगा के it's nice. We're there, okay, and thousands of people together are singing Shirdi Baba ki Diwani. It's like, Ma, ye Sheila. It's like, I have bhakti for you. माँ ये गलत कर रही है ये नंगा नाच आपने कैसे इस पे कर लिया ये प्रॉब्लमेटिक. She's like, जलाए दिए वो विद पानी. क्या चल रहा है, दिस इज ब्लास्फेमी मम्मा, ये तो गलत है, क्या कर रहे हो. बेटा आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है, चुप करो. लाइक मम्मा प्लीज आप सुन लो ना मेरे. मम्मा शी इज लाइक चुप करो बेटा, आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या है. लाइक बिकॉज़ गॉड इज वाचिंग यू माँ. एंड माय मॉम वाज लाइक गॉड को और कोई काम धाम नहीं है. यही तो मैंने बोला था. So season 1 to 8 of How I Got Back at My Mother.
जी बच्ची